Dawn demonstrates social justice in her daily work by advocating for all patients, staff, and residents. She has taken steps to provide family comforts at St. Joseph's Home that allow family members to stay the night with loved ones, as well as setting up a kids' corner. Dawn has improved communication with partners to advocate for those in her care. Her efforts reach beyond St. Joseph's Home as she helped prepare over 50 bags of essentials for families in Medicine Hat. Dawn always stands up for patients, families, and staff to ensure that their needs are met.
Float nurses at St. Mary's Hospital in Camrose practice social justice by meeting the needs of patients and staff wherever they are needed. They are a team of senior staff members who not only impart their knowledge to those they work alongside, but also work wherever called upon in any situation. This means they must be familiar with every unit and ready to deliver care to all areas of the hospital at a moment's notice. Because of the float nurse team's adaptability and fairness, they are able to champion the needs of a diverse group of patients and see that their needs are met.
Hassan's commitment to social justice is evident by his passion to build a culture that is respectful and treats everyone justly at St. Therese Villa. He is a strong advocate for residents and their families, ensuring that their voices are heard at admission and at annual case conferences. He follows up regularly to ensure that each resident is continuing to receive the best care possible. Hassan understands the importance of listening to staff concerns and addresses them quickly before a problem grows too big. Hassan's high ethical standard provides a model for excellent care to a vulnerable population, and his example encourages others to do the same.
The maternal methadone use and neonatal abstinence team has an ongoing commitment to social justice as they advocate for the right to equitable treatment for marginalized pregnant women. The team's comprehensive health promotion strategy challenges the status quo by providing unbiased care to the mothers. The team has seen great success in keeping the mother and baby together, which has helped minimize newborn withdrawal and anxiety. One participant in the program said, "I am so thankful for this program. It saved mine and my daughter's lives. It is life-saving and life-changing." The team has a philosophy of meeting the women where they're at, which has helped the mothers build positive relationships with healthcare workers. The team's ongoing efforts exemplify how one group can create a significant impact in the lives of these vulnerable women.
Social justice was the key driving force for the Nutrition and Food Services leadership team when supporting Uplift, a day of mercy for people living in need in the Edmonton community. The team went above and beyond to ensure high-quality hot meals were provided for those in need. They were diligent in sourcing affordable supplies for the food to ensure that extra funds could be used to provide other services. This team volunteered their time to gather food and beverages, cook, wrap, and serve over 800 people. The Nutrition and Food Services leadership team put their hearts and hands to work in order to make a difference in the lives of a vulnerable population.
Scott is a champion, advocate, and social justice warrior for those who are experiencing challenges in mental health. Scott is a facilitator of the mental health first aid course that teaches employees how to help people who have mental health concerns at work, within their families, and in the community. Scott honors diversity and encourages others to get involved to create a psychologically healthy and safe workplace. He has promoted the Elephant in the Room campaign that seeks to remove the stigma surrounding mental health. Scott lives the value of social justice by consistently advocating for those who are unable to advocate for themselves. Social justice is what best characterizes the work Scott does in his role as a social worker at the Edmonton General. Scott is responsible for a number of units within the facility. One in particular is the Enhanced Support Unit. Through his knowledge of various systems and legislation, Scott finds creative solutions to highly complex issues while keeping to a strong moral compass. Scott engages others with sensitivity and eloquence, but also a sense of humor and a fun-loving approach that makes difficult situations much easier to handle. Scott understands the importance of speaking up for those who do not have a voice and championing their cause.